Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, we would like to show you how to convert private Instagram account to public. So if your account is currently in private mode, meaning other people who are not your followers will not be able to view your account, to be able to convert it back to public so that other people can view your account even though they are not your followers, you're simply going to open your profile over here on the bottom right by selecting this profile. After that, you're going to click on the three lines on the top right, also called a hamburger icon. And over here, this is where you will be able to see under who can see your content, you have the account privacy. Simply open that and click on the section over here where you will be able to switch to public account. Do that and you will be able to successfully convert your account from a private Instagram account to a public one. And if you want to put it back, simply click it again and your account will be back to private. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.